Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a washing machine. Obviously, we'll gladly install it for you if you don't fancy doing it yourself, but we're also going to show you the steps because it's really easy to do. Firstly, it's out with the old. You'll need to remove your old appliance. Then remove the transit bolts. You'll find these on the back of the machine. There's usually between 3 and 5 of them. Once those are out, screw in the cold water inlet pipe at the back of the machine. Then connect the other ends to your cold water supply. Once you've made sure that both ends are fastened tightly, you can turn on the water inlet valve and let water flow through the pipe. The wastewater hose is already connected to your washing machine, so you've got to find it and feed it into the wastewater downpipe. Give your pipes a check for leaks throughout this process to make sure that everything is good to go. All that's left to do now is plug it in, and once it's plugged in, push it back into place. You've got to check that it's level and adjust the legs at the bottom if need be. It's important to make sure it's level before you run a wash, so use a spirit level to check. And if you haven't got one, often your smartphone has one available as an app. Now you're ready to put your first load on. If you'd like more info about washing machines, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.